Whitehall, a typical British town, a place where people work and tend to their leisure. Like many other towns of a similar size, it is served by its own railway station. Sadly, trains such as this one, 3 passenger carriages hauled by an Ivert 2 MT, are becoming a rarity here. As the Ivert pulls away from the station, we ponder the growth of road transport, which has seen a sharp reduction in passenger numbers here on the railway. Most passenger services now are of a far more modest type. This Ginty sees out its final days on the line, operating a push-pull service. With many people now preferring the convenience of a bus, the train leaves almost as empty as when it arrived. The people on this bus, however, are made to wait, at least for a little while, as a diesel-hauled express passenger service powers through the tunnel, over the crossing, and through the station. Later, at the same crossing, the standard 4 MT passes through with a train of coal wagons. It will come as a surprise to no one to learn that this station is earmarked for closure. There are not many takers for seats on this railcar. For some, the railways still hold an element of romance. For others, excitement at the prospect of watching engines work in the yard. But today it's quiet. Only the passing goods train disturbs the stillness. With the way now clear, the railcar is allowed to leave the station. A pannier tank moves in the yard. Behind it, we can see an ex-Great Western Railway hall. The hall is in need of repair. The pannier tank is tasked with collecting some empty wagons from a nearby breaker's yard. A Class 22 diesel travels light engine towards the station. On arrival, the diesel enters the yard. There will be no repairs for the stricken hall. This will be its final journey. The hall will not steam again. It will join its fellows in the breaker's yard. With the departure of the hall comes an air of melancholy. Even the fine sight of this 4F cannot lift the atmosphere. Later, this warship-class diesel demonstrates to us the future of our railways. Once more, it passes through our station. Those who sit at faraway desks have decided that the future does not lie here.